Neil here from Clean. Hope you can see this. I'm going to be cleaning this laser light. Now I'm going to be doing my best. I have said to this customer, as I've said to you many times, can't get perfect results always on laser light, but see there's a lot of lichen on here, a lot. And so this is the before. I'll show you the work in progress as we get up there. Neil here, I'm now on top of the roof, so I want to be able to show you the results I can get off here. It's coming off quite easily, so fortunately the lichen here has not been sitting on that laser light for too long. Let me show you. There we go folks, this is the result after cleaning the top. You can see it's actually come very well. I haven't compromised the laser light at all, there's no holes in it. Just got to be very careful when you're doing this kind of work. It's just, you know, you've got to be careful of the angle and make sure you're very consistent with the extensions. So I hope you can see this finished results. Pretty good. This kind of work, as I said from the very beginning, we can never guarantee results. The lichen ends up basically eating into the plastic. Its root system's very strong. So yeah, so here we go, some great results.